Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen. Oh, you guys, sorry for my voice. I've been a little sick, but my Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box for the month of January has arrived, and I'm really excited to dig in because I need some of the items in here to get my January 2026 half letter planner set up. And it is definitely planner setup season, and I'm really excited to get my planner going for the new year. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jen. What I have here is the monthly subscription box from Jane's Agenda. That sub box comes in 3 versions: the monthly cover club, the planner lifestyle subscription, and the deluxe box. I have the deluxe box, which combines both the monthly cover club and the lifestyle subscription. I will let you know what goes to what in case you're interested. And I get my subscription in the junior size, which is disc punched for a half letter planner. So yeah, sorry, it may be a little rough with my voice, but we are gonna make it through because I'm dying. I have not looked in here at all. So look at this beautiful box. The box does match the theme. Yes, the post office wrote on it, which I could live without. There's also a sticker on the bottom, so I'm not going to show you the bottom, but it's very similar to the rest of the box. Isn't it pretty? Let's look at the inside. Whoop, we're getting the camera. And oh, it's really pretty. Look at that, you guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. So we have our tour card, and then we have all the goodies. My tissue paper has torn from the weight of the items. All right, let's move the box out of the way, and we're going to go through everything one at a time. And look at this pretty sticker. Ooh, I love that. I want to repurpose that for sure. All right, let's start with the tour card, which I'll just read you part of it. It says, "Dear subscriber, welcome to 2026. This January, we invite you to begin the year with purpose and clarity. Inside this box, you'll find tools to reset with intention." Awesome. And on the back, it shows you all the items, but we're not going to look at that. So I like to start with the items that are in the planner lifestyle subscription and then look at the monthly cover club. We always get a little accessory pack. It's in a plastic bag, but I've removed it so you don't have to hear the crinkling. But here's what we've got. Oh, this time we have our 3 quote cards and our thank you card bundled in there. And we get different things. We do always get quote cards, though, of some sort. So these are really pretty. This one says, "I dare you to invest in yourself." Yes. "Understated, undistracted, unstoppable." And she continued, "She's not afraid to start over. She's excited about what's next." Ooh, these are great ones, you guys. Next, we got a decorative dashboard set. We do usually get a distinct set in the lifestyle subscription and then a different set in the monthly cover club. And these are so pretty. I love the soft, neutral vibes. I always love a good door or doorway. I don't know what it is, but it's an obsession I have, and I love that they give them to us. We have like water droplets on a flower, I believe. Very pretty. And ooh, look at that staircase. That is so cool. I love it. I love it. Okay. Then we got, look at this dashboard. This is gorgeous. It says January here. We have the big J and these beautiful florals, and they're like raised up. They're UV printed. They're so cool. There is a backing on here. So let's pull that off because it'll, whoops, I left some in the punches. I didn't really do that the best way. Oh well, that's okay. No worries. But look how beautiful. Let's look at it over the dashboards. Ooh, that's pretty cool. pretty. Ooh, that's cool too. Very cool. All right, and then we also received this frosted bottom tab. Look how cool this is. So it's your year overview. You have January to December. Now these are Monday start monthly calendars because most of the Jane's Agenda community prefers a Monday start monthly. I do not, but that's okay. It's still really cool looking. I'll probably still use it. And it's a bottom tab, and your bottom tab says 2026. So really cool for your yearly overview, but you could certainly use it anywhere in your planner. Let's look at it over the dashboards as well. Ooh, I kind of like that because it's like subtle, but yeah, that's really nice. Or that looks cool too. Wow, that's really nice. I hope in the future that maybe they would sell them in the shop and give us the opportunity to pick a Sunday start if we want, because they do offer. Ooh, I like that a lot. Ooh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, this box is nice, you guys. I'm liking it. Here are one set of the 2 sets of inserts we get this month, and I am dying to see these ones. These are financial inserts. So we have this beautiful little cover page here. I'm not going to redo the whole thing. I'll just give you the start. Money becomes easier to work with the moment you know exactly what it's doing. Not just how much you have, but where it's going, what it supports, and whether it's aligned with the life you're building. And I really like that. And so we have a debt tracker. Let me bring it a little closer for you. Of course, I don't have my glasses, kids. It says debt, interest rate, minimum payment, month, starting debt, amount paid, and remaining balance. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. And then you have the shading to differentiate each. So that's nice. And then you have total debt down there. And you have it go again on this page. So that's very handy to have. Maybe you guys saw the setup of my budget planner, which I do have Jane's Agenda financial inserts in there. I'll link that for you if you'd like to see it. But I'm interested in seeing these because I like my budget planner in Classic, but I believe if they have not already, which I think I may have seen that they did, they're going to release these to the shop eventually, and I'll buy them in Classic if I think they're what I want. I could always just try these in either make a separate notebook or just use them in my Classic anyway. So on here we have monthly financial audit, month and year. You have expected expenses, amount, debt, and amount. And total expected expenses, total debt, savings amount, expected income amount, and then your total savings, total expected income, and net worth calculator, savings, debt, expected income, expected expenses, expected ending net worth. So we have these going back to back. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have 6 months worth. Then you have a bill tracker. All right. And then you have paycheck budget. And you have income source, planned, and amount. Expense, date, planned, and actual. Expense, date, planned, and actual. And these are fixed and these are variable expenses. This is what I was looking for. In the other packet, there wasn't a page like this. And this is what I wanted in addition to that other page. I just wish that these pages weren't back to back, because for the way I like to set up my planner. I wish it was dot grid on the back, but it's not the end of the world at all. Yeah, and then you have savings plan, allocation, pay down debt, sinking funds, savings, date, planned, and actual. So these are really nice. I like the aesthetic of them too. And in the past, we've been given financial top tab dividers, and I bet they would work with these too. So wow, very nice. But we have more, kids. I like how they're giving us these like aesthetic cover pages to the inserts now. I really like that. It's really pretty. So these are the weekly number 32s, and I believe that we're getting a sneaky peeky of something that's coming to the shop. And it says, a week is more than a collection of days. It's a landscape of possibility shaped by the choices you make and the intentions you carry forward. As you pause to map out the days ahead, you give structure to your hopes and room for your priorities to breathe. Cool. So let's check it out. All right, so we have, I think we have several months here, if I remember correctly. So we have kind of an overview page here. So this is January. You have a little like untitled few lines here. You have key projects, owner and due date, and then some dot grid, and then you have metrics, goal, and actual. So that's cool. And then you open up into your weekly spread. You do have a Monday start little monthly calendar here. We have priorities 1, 2, 3, and then just a little lined area here. You have a lined area with a little quote, but if you didn't want to put a quote there, you could just easily cover that up. And then you have Monday through Wednesday here, Thursday through Saturday here with a split weekend, and you have timed column, but the times do not carry over. So you just have the times here and the times here, which I kind of guess I get, because it kind of gives you versatility, use them or don't use them. And you have like a little like box here too at the top. We have holidays, and we have this notes area at the bottom. So pretty versatile. I think I probably will give these a try and see how I like them. I'm not always a vertical planner, but sometimes. So I think I'd like to try them. They seem really cool, like very interesting. And so yes, you have January. Oh, and at the end of the month, you have this monthly brain dump opportunities and wins. And yeah, and so then you have February, May. Oh, wow. They gave us, oh, in June. Wow, they gave us 6 months. That is really generous. So you've got a planner here. That's awesome. Next, we received a notebook. It's really pretty. So it's a little, what do you call this? Wire? Oh, no. Twin loop, little twin loop coil in gold. It is a really pretty gold. I know she mentioned that she had them like revise the gold color, and she really liked it better, and it is a very pretty gold. It says notes here, which is also in gold foiling, and we have the same floral pattern that we're seeing on our dashboard. And then what you have here is just a long checklist pages, like big to-do pages. And this is really cool because sometimes I'll just use a notebook for like a daily page instead of pulling out my whole planner. And I feel like this would be so handy, and it's such a convenient size, and you get a lot. So the cover is just like a cardstock cover. So it's sturdy, but it's not like hard. It's, you know, it's like a smooth cardstock, and you have the Jane's Agenda logo there. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. And then what I think is the hero item, we have this pen case in ivory, and this is so nice. Look how flat this is. So it's a really pretty color. It's a hard to describe color. Here's the shell vegan leather, so you can see it's darker than that, but it's not, oh, my light junk. But yeah, it's really pretty. And we have Jane's agenda embossed there. It's a pebbled vegan leather. We have a gold zipper that is so pretty, and let's unzipper, and cool. So this is so nice. So we have a little mesh pocket here. You have a longer pocket here, and you have another long pocket here. So let's see, so here's a pen. Fits nicely. Here's some scissors. And ooh, I'm really excited about this. I'm definitely going to be using this. Okay, so now we're going to look at the items in the monthly cover club. Here is our page finder. So pretty. I love this box, you guys. And it does have that same clear coating. I'm not going to mess with it right now. But just so you know, that coating is only on the back side, the side without the design. But the page finder, always use that. Here are our dashboards. So they are reversible, the ones that come in the monthly cover club. They are so pretty. I love the neutral, sophisticated New Year's vibe. So gorgeous. Let's look at the cover because it is so pretty in person. Like, I said, wow, when I pulled it out because I want to take it out of the plastic. Look at that. That is so classy. So pretty. Let me try to hit that glare for you. Look how pretty that is, though. Incredible. It says 2026. And in the center, it also says 2026. So let's look at the cover over our dashboards. We'll also look at it with the other ones. So here it is with the champagne, and it will be even more clear when I pull that plastic off. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. And here it is with our, is this a calla lily or a calla lily, I think. Maybe lily of the valley. I'm not sure. So pretty. I love it. All right, let's look at the other ones. Here's the door. Oh, that's pretty. I'm also curious about the dashboard, how that would layer. Might be a lot altogether, but you never know. Yeah, it's kind of a lot. I think it's a bit much for me. I'll use it separately, but yeah. Here's our staircase. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's such a beautiful modern take on it. Wow. That's so pretty. And this one. Oh, I am so excited to set up my planner, you guys. It's going to be so pretty. Oh, man, what a good box. What a good box. Tell me what you think, though. What are you most excited about? Did you get the box? Have you set up your 2026 planner? I want to hear all the things. I will link for you my 2026 planner playlist so you can check out all the planners that I'm talking about. I believe when this video goes up, my 2026 planner lineup will be up, but if not, then it will be the video after this. So, so excited to share that with you guys as well. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.